Hello, tech enthusiasts and savvy IT professionals. In this brief but impactful session, we are diving into the transformative world of GitHub Actions, turning what many perceive as a manual headache into a streamlined, automated breeze. We'll unravel how to build, test, and deploy your applications to Azure seamlessly. Prepare to elevate your tech efficiency to the cutting edge. Welcome to Build and Deploy Applications to Azure using GitHub Actions, where we've got a comprehensive guide peppered with practical examples, so you can master CI/CD pipelines in Azure as if they were second nature. 1. Setting up CI/CD pipelines. For starters, imagine you're developing a Node.js application while dreaming of effortless deployment to Azure. Using GitHub Actions, you'll set up a CI/CD pipeline to automate your workflow. Begin by editing the .github workflows node.yml file in your repository. Define a workflow to install dependencies, run tests, and deploy to a staging environment on Azure. Use Azure Web App at latest to pull in the Azure Web App SDK and configure your script to deploy to your web app settings. After pushing your commits, GitHub will seamlessly trigger the pipeline. Example: your application is live for user testing, all because you automated a deployment after every code push. 2. Automatic testing and alerts. Let's say you need to ensure your front-end is not only live but highly responsive. Automate testing using workflows to trigger tests across multiple browsers. Utilize CodeShip or Cypress as your testing tool. Write a GitHub Actions step to run the tests automatically upon each commit to Azure. Example: your web page is flawlessly tested in real time, and you are notified instantly if any test fails before it hits production. 3. Deployment strategies on Azure. Envision you are handling intricate deployments where rollbacks are crucial for failover strategies. Set up environment variables using GitHub secrets to simulate different stages from day.